Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G52, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to access Moto app and click on those three lines at the top left corner of it. Then select Personalize and click on Themes section over here. Now tap on the best one for you. I will go with Honey and click on Home button. As you can see, after that, theme of my Motorola has changed. If you wish to go back into the default one, go into the same settings and select Moto theme. If you wish to make some changes though, you can always click on Create New Theme over here and create it, or go into this menu and access all of those options like font style and icon shape separately. To save your changes, click on the check mark at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!